Today I'll show you multiple ways to customize your MacBook to take it from an ugly mess to a desktop that is worth seeing. Let's first start off with the wallpaper because it's something that you see every day when you open your Mac. You can choose one of the default options available inside settings, or you can set your own pictures. But let's make it better. Let's take it to the next level with live wallpapers. For years I've been wanting to have animated and live wallpapers on my Mac as someone who used Windows before switching to Mac. And I definitely miss Wallpaper Engine. Well, if you're like me, look no further than Backdrop, a beautifully designed wallpaper app that has amazing animated live wallpapers across different categories. Let me show you how you can use Backdrop. Before I continue with this video, I just want to be completely transparent that the developer of Backdrop has reached out to me and provided me with a free license to test the app and to show it to all of you today. I'm simply here to give you guys an in-depth look of the app, including the interface, the options, and exactly how the app functions so you can see it yourself in action. Now, let's continue with the video. Okay, let's now see how we can actually use this app. Assuming that you have already downloaded the app and installed it on your Mac and also bought the license and activated it. This is the screen that you should be seeing. Now, Backdrop is a beautifully designed app that follows the UI and UX design principles of macOS, so you are going to feel right at home. There are a few pages available, including Discover and Browse, and these are the two main ones that you'd be using to find new wallpapers and then downloading it on your Mac. So this first part here, it shows you the popular wallpapers of the week, and let's try this wallpaper out. So let's click on play, and boom, it already activates it. This is very beautiful. Now the reason why it applied it so fast was because I've already downloaded it. So let's try a new one that I haven't yet. I think this one looks cool, so let's click on download. It's gonna download nice and quickly, although this largely depends on your internet connection. It's gonna show the progress bar here, and if you would like to cancel, then you could do it too, but let's not do that, and let's wait patiently. Okay, so the wallpaper has been downloaded, so let's click on play Backdrop, and that is now going to apply it. As you can see, it's a live wallpaper, and it's high quality, it's crisp, it's satisfying, and it looks super beautiful. Now you can scroll down and you're gonna see different genres ranging from anime to games to sci-fi to cyberpunk, and if you want to know more, all you gotta do is to click on it, and then you'll see the resolution, the file size, the video length, and also the person who has uploaded it. You can click on this little like icon if you really like this. You can also get a link to it by clicking on this button, and of course you can download it and apply it. You can also see related backdrops too. Now I've been using this app for about a month now, and I'd like to show you some of my favorite ones, and that is inside playlists. And yes, you can create playlists. So go to playlist and then click on plus, and you can name a new one. Let's just call it example, and let's click on create playlist, and then here I could start adding new wallpapers to it. Let me show you my current one that is simply named playlist. Now this is essentially a set of live animated wallpapers, and I have three ones: Apple logo, Minecraft glowing castle, and Apple particle. I love Apple logo because this looks so satisfying, so premium. You can see the Apple logo and slowly changing it to the Mac Finder icon. This feels so magnificent in my opinion. Then this Minecraft castle one, that reminds me of a really nice cozy night in Minecraft with all the shaders turned on. And I think I also have another one which is Apple particle, which is also pretty good. I also have a library where you can see all of your downloaded wallpapers. So for example, also I have this one, dancing pedals. This also looks incredible, so lively, so vibrant, and so modern like. And all in all, Backdrop is an amazing app with a large category of wallpapers, and you could even create your own. Like you can upload your own, you can give it a title, and you can make it so that it is public and that is discoverable by every other Backdrop user, including me. And that, my friends, is how you can use this amazing wallpaper app named Backdrop. Now let's customize the menu bar. If you're like me, a power user, you'd most likely have lots of apps in the menu bar. While you can disable them using the app settings or inside the settings app, which by the way is a feature that is available in macOS Tahoe, many apps still don't offer it, and it just feels like the default customization is a bit limited. That's where this next app comes in. The app is called Ice Menu Bar, and as you can tell from the name, it is an app that allows you to customize the menu bar with a few different options. You can hide icons that can be seen with a click of a button. You can change that button to a new icon, or you can completely hide icons that you don't wish to see at all. Moving on to app icons, you know that just like on iOS, you can have different themes for your icon. Go inside settings, appearance, and and you have 4 options to choose from for icon and widget style. You have default, dark, clear, and tinted. With dark, you can set it to auto or always. Clear makes the icon look like liquid glass, and tinted allows icons to be themed in a specific color. Oh, and you can also select a default folder color that applies to all new and existing folders. The same theming can also be used to folders in macOS. Open Finder, select a folder that you'd like to customize, right click on it, select customize folder, and now you can change the color and also add icons. Even emojis are supported. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention that the accent color can be changed too. Under appearance of settings, you'll see a color section just above the app icon section. Here you can choose one of the available accent colors, and you can even change the text highlight color. If you scroll down just a bit more, you can also choose the icon size for the sidebar, whether it's small, medium, or large. All of these settings apply to other apps like Apple Notes as well. By now, you already know about widgets on the desktop and how iPhone widgets can be seen, added, and interacted on the Mac. But you might notice that the theming switch from one to another depending on what you're doing. If there's an active app, the widget stays transparent, but if there is none, it suddenly becomes colored again. If you don't like that change, or if you're like me who simply prefers the transparent, you can change a setting. This time, go into desktop and dock inside of system settings, and under widgets, you'll see an option for dim widgets on desktop. This is essentially the transparent option. By default, it is set to automatically, which will dim or make it transparent when there's an active app, and vice versa, but you can choose it to be never, so no dimming at all, or you can choose it to be dimmed at all times, like me. Now let's talk about some Finder settings that will make your life easier. First, open up Finder and go to its settings. Here in the sidebar tab, you can customize which folders you like to see on the sidebar. You can also manually add folders by dragging and dropping. Next, go to General, and here you can choose whether you like to open folders in tabs instead of windows, which is a very useful feature for organization. Then go to Advanced and enable file name extensions, and under while performing a search, make sure to select Search the current folder. These settings will make it so that Finder shows file name extensions and search within the current folder as soon as you click on the search field. Other quality of life improvement settings include going to View and enabling both the path bar and the status bar. Path bar shows you the path of the current folder that you are in, and status bar shows more information about the current folder. Another annoyance in Finder is that it wouldn't calculate folder sizes by default. To fix this, press Command plus 2 to switch to list view, then Command plus J to open show view settings, and check calculate all sizes. Finally, press use as defaults to apply this setting everywhere. The final trick that I like to show you in Finder are these right here. If I click on one of them, it links me to a specific folder. Personally, I have my work in progress folder and a folder in OneDrive where I have all of my office files. To do this, simply drag and drop a folder that you want to create a shortcut for, and right before you reach the toolbar area, press Command and drop it in. Now your Finder has been customized. Before I end this video, I just want to go over some dock settings. Did you know that you can enlarge the dock size by just dragging your cursor up and down? You can also change the dock position by pressing Shift and then moving your cursor to the sides of the screen or the bottom while having the dock focused. Finally, you can enable magnification to have this satisfying effect when hovering over the app icons on the dock. That's all that I've got for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tech videos like this. Until then, take care.